What's up, guys?
Today we are going to show you how we built this beautiful outdoor sofa and
Refinish this chair, ottomans, these tables.
everything that we put in the gazebo we either built or refinished. Let's get to it. Let's show you. Sorry, let's go. We are going to use 2x4s that Wender is going to cut down
2 inch instead of 3.5. So I'm gonna start with that.
Okay. I don't know how it became my job to do this. I feel like this was very poorly planned. What now?
Let's go put the table out there.
Wow, so quick.
Like that.
So fast with your moves.
Like how I roll.
Seat bottom
And back.
and back first.
Yep.
Need 8 cross pieces.
16th to the long point. 8, yeah.
Asking him questions while he's doing math.
I don't remember a number.
Do you want me to get a hammer?
Why do it with the hammer when I can just struggle with it and maybe hurt something?
Don't want to miss an opportunity.
Jamming out in here. Push, kick, push, kick, push, kick.
What are you listening to?
So we're done with the back. Now we're gonna make the seat.
All of these are inset.
Yes.
Explain yourself.
We are gonna put decking. That was on the fly design update.
That's pretty good, babe. Wow, look at you.
I meant to do that one. That's the closing move for that
The
bit.
finale.
Yeah. All right. Encourage this. All right, there you go. These GRKs 4 inch.
Where is this going?
I mean, like, to connect these two. I kind of want to put some in the front from below.
Flip it over.
Yeah.
Ow, ow, ow.
All right. She's sturdy.
You can watch your little people strippers.
Strictly little people strippers. All right.
It's gonna go right side up on
Yep.
the table. Oh my goodness.
Okay. What you doing, guy?
What's the guy doing?
Twisting.
Oh no, guy.
Very nice.
You probably need me, right?
Probably. All right, I'm not gonna put too many screws. Don't sit on it later, or just admire from a distance.
Wow. Look at that. I feel like people are gonna want the plans for this. What are you gonna...
I mean, I can reverse engineer the plans.
All right, then maybe we'll have plans,
You've already
guys.
done the thing, you know?
We're done for today, right?
Done.
Oh, great. Great. Yep.
Okay, now you
Yep.
can.
All right. Look at that.
Holy tired. I'm so tired. And everything hurts.
We decided that we wanted to round all of the edges. Definitely wasn't just me. We decided to round all of the edges. So Wender is doing that here with the router.
We're gonna move that under the gazebo so that I can paint it. Can you shake the paint for me? It's an interesting shake.
Shooken.
Can you open it?
Oh my God.
We're adding these, what do you, balusters, spindles, I don't know what.
Something, right?
We got these at Lowe's, a box of them.
Grab a hand there.
Sure.
And
Grabbing a hand. You put your metal working glasses on.
That's not a metal cutting wheel. That's all I have, so don't judge.
We're still early in our metalworking career.
Yeah, my
so-
metalworking is just at the beginning stages right now.
I'm wondering if we should paint before you put the...
I don't know. It's going to mess up something or other.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Like it's either this is going to have to get repainted.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Don't okay me so aggressively.
I'm recording.
I don't have time
We
for that.
can't-
It's time for your aggressive okays.
Wow. Look at that.
Okay, let's make another one. Well, hey, ready to put these things together?
Everything's all painted. And now we're going to put it all together.
Let's do it. So I'm going to start with the screws we originally used, so it goes back in the same place, and then we'll reinforce. Now for another segment of why not overbuild it, this gigantic screw.
We're going to have to fill these, sand a little bit,
Yeah.
repaint. Just on its back?
Yep. Well, what they say, I ain't going nowhere. I'm putting a leg
It's a giant leg.
right in the middle.
Is that the middle?
Yep. The leg wasn't centered, so I made this piece of wood, and now it's centered because, you know, Candice would not have it.
It's the real reason.
Okay, one leg, complete. You know what else? I ain't going nowhere.
Hey guys,
Hey, good morning.
just having our coffee here, and we wanted to talk to you about our new favorite coffee brand, Chip Coffee.
A small business, family owned, happens to be one of our good friends,
My
owns a
best
company.
friend. They named the company after their real French bulldog, Chip, the cutest little Frenchie. It's small batch. It's not sitting in a warehouse somewhere, which means, you know, it's very fresh. It comes in a lot of blend options, medium roast, dark roast. They have fun names like Poolside and Dad Fuel, and they also offer matcha and chai teas. Or you can get a sample pack.
Which is what we have here.
Before committing to a full bag of a specific flavor, you can just try them all out and then decide which one is right for you. We love the Brazilian one, and it's not just because my husband is Brazilian.
New mouth. I just... She's worried about the couch now.
These are new cushion covers, babe. The coffee has to stay in your mouth.
Pro tip.
But the other great thing that we love about this company, 5% of every sale goes to helping the North Shore Animal League, which is the largest no-kill animal rescue in the world.
Put a smile on Chip's face. We've linked the website in the description below with the discount code.
And I think it's why not 20, but we'll put it on the screen and it's for 20% off. I'm so excited for this sponsorship because it's actual family that we know, that we love, and it's really great coffee. It's the good stuff, no apologies. Cheers. Let's get back to work.
So Wender is using Bondo to fill some of the screw holes. Looks like you're humping. Looks like you're humping. Okay, so attention to the deck behind the curtain.
As Candice calls more attention to it.
Shh.
Every time I walk in there, it's like a zillion freaking degrees.
He's complaining about the workshop. It's really hot in there. So what we are doing today is show them the knob.
Ready?
I guess so. Am I recording correctly?
Oh yeah, beautiful recording.
Is it centered? I don't think it's centered.
It didn't center. I thought I had it centered. All right, let's go do the next one.
Okay. You're not going to measure?
No.
All of these are going to end up not centered.
No, look at that. Watch.
Yeah, I watched you do the other one and the other one.
Well, the other one, you know, I wasn't taking that into account yet.
What?
You could have bought the right screw that fits there.
That doesn't make it centered or not.
Look at my knob.
Okay, all right.
You knob it wrong one time, you know, and then you're just like the wrong knobber.
That is not centered.
100%.
That is not centered,
Oh,
guys.
girl,
Guys.
look at this.
Oh, I'm looking at it. It is not centered.
Right there. It's not me. It's the bit. It's not me. It's walking.
Yeah.
It's a walking bit.
This is like when I used to hang things before we were married. If you took down any picture, there'd be like 5 holes behind
All right,
it.
let's put some context behind this. I worked all morning.
So you can't use a tape measure?
Go in the shed and get a tape measure. It's 158 degrees. Money.
Yeah. Look at how centered that is,
Money.
guys. It's perfect.
Money.
Perfectly centered.
All right, I'm going to center this one perfectly too.
Babe, can you please?
Look at it.
It's worth it. Get things right.
I need a vice grip too. Find that.
It's right here. Are you drilling holes?
No.
I see a hole.
7/8-ish. 7/8-ish.
I don't know about that. Imagine you put all these on and then I'm like, I hate it. Looks stupid.
I do imagine that all the time. Thing of beauty. Look at that. Wasting time.
At least that
measuring.
one looks okay from the front. So hot out here.
All right, girl.
That is not censored.
You've been knobbed.
I don't have to do, I guess.
Best I can do
I like how
in
you
this,
covered it
under
with
this
your hand.
distress.
Stupid. Yeah, I think we need to wipe this down and then we'll put cushions on.
All right, I'll hold the camera. You wipe it down. All right, well, okay. That'll keep the viewers.
I love watching the gardening TikToks. You know, I used to drop it in the club and now I'm like,
Been practicing for years.
I didn't really go to the clubs much.
Hmm.
Before we add the cushions and reveal the finished sofa, there's one more project we need to finish.
We bought some mold chairs from a very nice gentleman on Marketplace.
He was really nice.
They look kind of janky right now. I'm gonna strip it, paint them black, get some new cushion covers. Okay, ready?
Babe! Honestly, getting the old paint off these chairs was a nightmare. We tried stripper, power washing, sanding, multiple rounds of all three over way too many days. But eventually, we got them into good enough shape to repaint. Let's get these painted. So I ran out of paint. Before I could get more paint to finish these chairs, we actually moved on to a few other projects. We built the outdoor bar stools for our backyard bar and took on the much bigger project of building our gazebo. Eventually, we came back to finish painting them, and we also found a couple of side tables on Facebook Marketplace and painted those too. All right, let's put these cushions on.
All right, cushions on. Mission. This is wrong.
They're different sizes. So see the seams? The seams go in the back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Forgot.
These are the other Facebook Marketplace chairs.
They're not gonna live here.
In the gazebo.
The lighting in there.
The lighting in there isn't great. Right, babe?
Yeah, of course. Always right.
Mm-hmm. I know. We wanted to show them the little table. Should we put them up here?
You roll it. Look at all this crap you have on top of it.
Oh no. They're so dirty. Can you like try to sit it on? The cats lay all over these. Take your glasses off. That is not clean.
Clean. Cold.
Alright guys, there it is.
It's clean.
Done. That's the wrong way.
I was testing you. The right way is this way, of course.
Alright, now get the other pillows.
What? It's like I worked here.
You do. Alright, there it is. Besides the tables, the little tables. I'll just, yeah. Tuck me down. Tuck me down. Like a dirty dancing.
From Place Market Book Place.
Yeah. Grass all over me. Gonna make
Your hair's up.
Let me see. No, I'm good with Dirty Dancing. Wolf stinks over that dream. Can you tell my butt's wet?
No. Yeah.
Sure.
Totally can't.
You can't? Or you
100% can't.
can't?
Can't. Positive can't.
Can?
Can't.
What?
Camp.